What's up, guys? One last step to finish off our bathroom, and that's installing our window. Things we need to know first. The rough framing. Remember, looks like we got a thicker header here for our window. We don't want that glass to break. If you're not sure, make sure you contact a structural engineer. The pattern for the window depends on the rough opening. So I will pick one of my normal studs to be a king stud, do the trimmer, and then measure that rough opening going either left or right. And then you just add another king stud where it's needed. This is the window I've selected from just online, and it says it's 35 by 35 inch, but if we come on down to the rough opening, that's the opening we need to rely on, which is 36 by 36. So coming here, I'm going to first, to get started, I'm going to call this the left king stud, and we're going to create the rough opening going to the right. So that means I'm going to start by drawing my trimmer stud, and I'm going to make the trimmer come up the same, roughly the same height as my opening for my door here. So coming on through, and we're just going to leave these studs in, we'll clear them out when we need to. Drawing over, looks like I'm going to go over 1.5 inches, 1.5, get a little tick mark there, and let me clear this out. Okay, and let's see here. Grab my pencil again. Coming over on the red axis, we've created our surface. Now I need to know how far up to go. Well, let's come over here and check and make sure we got the same height as our door. Measuring from the bottom of the stud here. Let's see, I want to come and go up what appears to be 80 15/16. So 15/16, let's go to our calculator. 15/16, 15 divided by 16 equals 9375. So 80.9375 is how far we are going to go up. So I'm going to grab my push-pull tool. This is my trimmer that's going to be supporting my window. 80.9375, coming all the way up to the bottom of that header. Grabbing up, sliding, 80.9375. Boom. Okay, there's that support location. And so now I'm going to use this as an opportunity to create my second trimmer and second king stud. I know that my window opening is 36 inches. So I'm going to measure down to the bottom here on this axis. My rough note opening is 36, coming on down to there. And I'm going to come on the green axis, go over 36, and cap that off, coming down. So I'm just drawing in that rough opening. What that's going to allow me to do, I'm even going to come down here to the edge, and what that will allow me to do is create my trimmer stud down here on the bottom. Coming across, it's 1.5 inches, 1.5, and coming back. Let's delete out that surface, and then grabbing my push-pull, coming up to support my window. I know that is I can just come up to the height that was before. Clicking on this edge, we've got that nice trimmer stud now added. That's fantastic. Okay, I'm going to put in the second king stud, and I'm not going to have to take out these studs here because they're going to become my cripples once I put in the sill and other things as well. So let's do this. Let's create another king stud at the bottom to support. On that point, coming over 1.5 inches and coming across onto the edge. Try that again. Great. And we're going to push that all the way to the top. All the way. Fantastic. Okay. Now, I'm going to establish the top of my header. The header is going to come across right here. Okay, and I'm going to come up and measure let's see, we did looks like a 2 by 6 header, we said it's a little bit thicker for the window. So I'm going to come up on that edge, 5.5. Looks like we got a tick mark right there, and across all the way to here for support. Remember that 2x6 is turned on its side. I'm going to come through and delete these lines. Yeah, that'll work just fantastically. And delete these, holding Control. We can click and delete the segments we do not desire. Okay, and I'm actually going to delete these lines as well. Oh geez, I think I deleted a little too much there, taking off the faces. That's okay. Let's put in our sill so it keeps that solid. Okay, we got our sill coming across there, and now we can delete these lines to clear out our window. Our sill is coming down 1.5 inches, 1.5, and across. And we can even clear out these lines as well. Super. Let's try that one more time. Delete that out. And so now what I'm going to do to create the thickness here is I'm going to use my push-pull tool and come on through. We can delete the supporting lines here in just a minute. We got 2 of those. Oh, I got to delete that. Well, let's push through first. Okay. Creating our thickness. Want this. Whoops, that's the wrong one. Want this to come out. 3.5. Want this to come out. 3.5. And now I can come on in and delete those cavities that need to be gone. Delete. And come through and delete these as well. Okay, last thing I'm going to do is delete out these supports from the back side. And we're almost there and almost done with our bathroom. Alright, that looks pretty good. And clear out those. Alright. And let's rotate. Zoom to fit there. Oh, we lost that face. That's okay. It shouldn't be. Just draw a line in and refills it in. So there we go. We've got our bathroom. It's all said and done. That could be a big thick beam. Really, for your drawings, it'd be nice if you added all these studs as well as the plans for those beams being 2 2x6s laminated together. You don't have to watch me draw these in. I'm going to, just so you understand where everything's going. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. We've completed a bathroom in SketchUp. All the framing. The only thing missing are the nails and a couple $100 out of your pocket. But I'll let you guys figure that out later down the road. Thanks for watching. I'm just going to wrap this thing up with some minor details. Have a great one. Hope you make something awesome.